Hey guys, it's Adrian once again. Now I know this coronavirus making people losing their jobs, but this is the time to get into the Forex market because it will explode as soon as all this corona disease is over, guys. I've been not making videos about this, the Forex market, guys. You check my videos in my YouTube channel, you'll see I made a whole lot some years ago. So obviously, I've been studying this stock market for a long time, guys. So I'm gonna give y'all some tips real quick on this video, how you can make money with the stock market or the Forex market. I would say, I ain't saying right now, guys. Just wait till all this stuff die down. You gotta watch the news. I'm gonna give y'all some pointers, guys, real quick, because I love the Forex market. I know how to see things, guys, and know when the price is gonna change for the up and the down. And that just me been studying the Forex market for a couple years now. I can see patterns like that. So I want to teach y'all one pattern real quick, guys. And you see I got my support line and my resistance line right here, guys. Now, why did I choose the resistance line right here? This is where the stock market maybe not want to go further, guys. Now, I can make it a little further if I want, but when I say it's not going to go no further for a second is because it hit this right here. That's the resistance line. It didn't want to go no further. Also right here, that's 2, especially 3, 4 hits. That's 5 hits. When you see this long candle right here, that's in a bear market that we call a sell. You see it push it back up all the way up, so it got a lot of steam, and you see what it did, guys. It brought it back up, and this is a daily chart, guys. Or this is a weekly chart. I like doing weekly, guys, because I'm a long-term investor. So to hit it right here, and you see that long stem, push it back up, and you see what happened. Came up, guys. Now you see it right here. Now these are people I would call, they seeing where the market gonna go. And then it's a fake out right here, guys. Right, and then push it back up, and then this is a fake out right here. Then it push it back down. This cross right here, guys, is letting you know they don't know what's going on. So they gonna push it back up. And then once they realize what's going on, that's what you wait for, guys. They push it back down. But once it went all the way down to right here, and I will show you. So I need to probably make that line also. I say, yeah, right here. See, hit it 1, 2, broke a little bit, 3, broke it a little bit, but went back up. So, and then it's 5 right here, broke a little bit. So this is the bare minimum right here. It will go, I would say, for a while, and then push it back up, guys. And then also, I want also to explain to you guys, when you see like long candlesticks like this, you always want to trade with the banks, guys, because the banks got all the money, guys. You know, um, people like regular traders. I forgot what they call these people. I forgot what they call them. I wish I can remember right now, but I can't. But you know, them the people like this right here, these little candles. They're confused. But when you see this long stem like this, guys, that's a bank. Another long stem, that's a bank. So now the bank sold what they had, right? And then they pushing it back up. And then they brought it back down. So I'm betting on this stock, USD versus Japan. I believe it's gonna push back up to right here, guys. They're gonna buy more because they made their money. These banks, they sold a lot right there, and they sold again right there. They bought, or they might push it back down. So I won't invest in this stock. I mean this forex currency right now. If I'll wait a couple days and see what it's gonna do. So if it break this right here, the last two, I know to sell. and then make a line right there real quick so I know. So while I'm making this video, guys, I'm learning myself just on where it might break at. So I go right here. No, maybe up here. Yeah, right here. Right here. So if it break this right here, this line right here, I know put a sell in, and then I know it's gonna hit this right here because it hit it previous before. All right, guys, real quick little video.